If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the Hobbycraft channel. Click the bell icon to be notified of future videos. You will need Cricut Joy cutting machine, Cricut Joy pink iron-on vinyl, Cricut Joy gold glitter vinyl, Cricut Joy tool set, mini easy press, Cricut heat resistant mat, drawstring bag. Gift in style with these adorable treat bags. Made using the Cricut Joy and Easy Press Mini, these bags are perfect for Cricut beginners looking to create a fun alternative to classic gift wrap when it comes to little treats. Personalise your treat bags for someone special with their favourite colours, text and embellishments to really make an impact. This project has been created on the Cricut Joy, but any of the Cricut machines can be used to recreate this project. Start by selecting New Project. To find the birthday cake image, click on Image and search the image number #412C690F. Click the image and then click Add to Canvas. You will now have the birthday cake image on your canvas. Resize your image to 6 by 7.8 centimeters. Ungroup the image by clicking the Ungroup tool. Click on the stand portion of the image and delete this section. Duplicate the edited birthday cake image. Ungroup this image and delete all of the elements apart from the candle flames. Regroup the three flames and change the colour to yellow and click Attach. To insert the text, click the text box and choose your font. We have used DJ Flirt. Next, type your message. Once you've got your text and image as you want them, highlight the two portions of your design and click Attach, excluding the yellow flames. Now you are ready to make it. As we are using Smart Iron-On, click on Without Mat. For iron-on vinyl, it's important to remember to mirror your design. Select Smart Iron-On from the list of available materials. Load your iron-on into your machine and click Go. Once your design is cut, unload the iron-on from the machine and use the weeding tool to remove the pieces that you don't want from your design. Don't forget the small pieces like the inside pieces of letters. Place your design on the bag. Use your Easy Press Mini to apply the vinyl to the bag. Find the correct heat settings for your project on the Easy Press Heat Guide online. Find the link in the video description below. Your personalised treat bags are now complete. You can create personalised gift bags for a variety of occasions using this same method. Here are a few we've created for weddings, new baby, and even Halloween.